Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Let's start making the dessert. Here are the requirements. 5 cups milk.
As the chemicals, they take us higher.
Heat on low heat until warm.
Night's young, and it's
Add
just
sugar.
begun. As she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never
Start
sleep,
adding custard
never
powder as you
stop.
stir.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Still on low heat. Stir until you see bubbles and it's thick.
Now the morning is the afternoon.
Let's prepare our jelly.
We lay awake in bed.
First, use warm water to mix the jelly powder.
It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Stir with a spoon. Make sure there are no lumps.
Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky. Just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now you can add cold water at room temperature as you stir. Leave it when it is a little thick, not too runny.
Summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
Now let's make this great dessert.
Stay young forever. We'll never have regret.
First, put the custard mixture in a container.
Chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky.
Second, add
Just
biscuit
two
crumbs in the next layer.
running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna
Another layer of custard mixture.
two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna
Fourth layer is biscuits
two
again.
hearts running wild.
Now it's time to add in a jelly mix.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall
Let it cool in the fridge.
as the chemicals
Serve with
take us
juice.
higher. The night's young.